Many people ask me how to improve their English speaking skills. In this video, I will show how basic English fluency helps improve speaking confidence. Today, I won't tell you any rules or grammar. I will share a true story about English confidence. I was just 3 years old. I started speaking English, but people did not clap. They just laughed. They thought that I was not good at English. It might be that they were thinking I don't know languages. Just laughed at me. People did not correct me. People did not guide me. People just laughed. When I was a little kid, thinking, was I bad at English? Did I say something wrong? My parents supported me. Whenever I made a mistake, they said that it's okay to make mistakes. Just keep practicing. One day, you'll get perfect at this language. Practicing, I got confident. I also got fluent in this language. And I never gave up this language. And for the other surprise you, Redmi Note 15. This is a Redmi Note 15 box. And look at this. This is a Redmi Note 15 box. And inside it, there's a Redmi Note 15 phone. And today, I am going to unbox this. For that, I will need and I will show you how the phone looks. Are you ready for this? And today I am going to unbox this. And are you ready to see it? This is the Redmi Note 15 phone. And this has many features. You can also see different applications. And that's why my dad gave me this Redmi Note 15. I learned English and I never gave up this language. And my dad gave me this amazing Redmi Note 15 phone. Look, and this phone also looks very amazing. English not only gave me this phone, it also gave me my confidence. And don't feel guilty when people laugh at you. You're learning and growing. If you want to learn English, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Then start learning English with me. Bye, and see you next video. Thank you for watching. Ice cream.